Namaskar.
Hi.
So you had come to the rice plantation festival at Aditya Agro Farm Shahpur today.
Yes.
So I wanted to ask you a couple of questions about that to get your feedback. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure.
First of all, did you have any trouble finding the place?
No, it was very easy because you had provided the links for us to travel depending on the mode of transportation, and it was very easy to find the place.
So the advisories that were sent were helpful to you.
Yes, very helpful. And all the details in the advisory were very, very helpful in planning our trip.
And when you came here, what were your first impressions of the place?
That everything is very, very well organized, and all the areas are demarcated very well, and everything is very neat and clean as well, and the staff is helpful in case we get lost for any reason.
Acha. And overall, the event when you did the actual rice plantation, how was the experience for you and your kids? And I think you had come with a friend, right?
Yeah, so I've come with my cousin sister and her kids and my own child, and we had an amazing time doing the rice plantation. The weather is also very good, and all the instructions that were given and the help that was provided from the staff and everyone else. We had an amazing time rolling in the mud and planting the rice and learning about the different varieties and the process of growing rice. So that was very, very insightful and a lot of fun also.
So, were you anxious anytime because you're going to a rural area, two females with two kids? So, at any point of time, did you feel scared, nervous, anxious, or anything like that?
No, I think we were very comfortable, and we were really looking forward to this, and we had seen pictures on Instagram and on social media, so we were sure that everything will be safe. So no worries in that matter.
Right. So, as far as the food goes, how did you find the quality of the food, the preparation vis-a-vis your taste and the kids?
So it's like home food, comfort food, and the kids are also well taken care of because the food is not spicy and there is enough variety for adults as well as kids. So yeah, it was all good.
And your views on the infrastructure of the place, because you had booked a room for the event, right?
Yeah, so we booked a room only for the day, and the room is absolutely neat and clean and well equipped. Enough lighting, and there's hot water for the kids to freshen up as well, and towels and everything was provided. The linen is also very clean, and we were very comfortable in the room.
And as far as the hospitality is concerned, the staff, how did you find that?
Very, very helpful. They went out of their way in guiding us throughout the entire process, from morning until now after lunch, and even during lunch. They helped us in picking the food that we should be taking for our kids, and what the kids would like and what we would like. So that was also very sweet of them.
So, would you come back again with friends and family?
Definitely, I'll recommend this to a lot of other friends, especially the ones with kids, because this is an experience that kids need to go through in life.
So you thought this place is a kiddie paradise?
Also for us, we also had a lot of fun.
Becoming kids.
Because we became kids as we were told that mentally we should not be over 5 years old when we come here.
Yeah.
So that, and I think a lot of us are brought up in cities and we've not experienced something like this. So it's a very nice outing, a whole day's outing, and it's a lot of fun also for all age groups.
So thank you so much. Looking forward to hosting you back again.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so
Take
much.
care. Bye-bye.